Hey, what's up guys? Lismar613 here, and today I'm gonna help you guys how to get the Uncharted 3 content from any category as possible. Which method one, let's go to PlayStation Store right here. Under the PlayStation Store, you had to search the alphabets of the title of the game, which is gonna be Uncharted, in which I'm gonna skip the video for a second, it's gonna take too long. There we go. Under the search bar right here on top of the corner, you have to alphabetically search the word Uncharted, as I'm going to show it to you now. Alright, just like this when you spell the word Uncharted. And these are the Uncharted content that you've been looking for, in which we're going for Uncharted 3. As you can see, that there's a lot of bundles, add-ons, themes, and such, but what we're looking for is the bundle specifically. At least a bundle or any other add-ons available. And if you have the game already as a digital, download it. Or if you did not purchase it at all as your first time, you can purchase it now, and you should have all the content as possible. As you can see under the description. That's method one. Method two is the download history, which I'm going to show you to now. Right here under the account management, once you go to download history, click on account management once, and then go to transaction management, and then go to download list, and then let it load for a second. And then you should be able to find the content of Uncharted 3 in general if you purchased it with the disc and then add-ons, or the digital with something on the add-ons, like Uncharted 2, like I did earlier. But if you do not have the Uncharted 3 content on download list, then here's method 3 for you guys. What you need to do is actually go to Uncharted 3 itself, whether you have the disc or the digital, either the two is fine. If it's a regular version or game of the year, but you think you're missing something in the content, even though you have game of the year, this should help you as your method. Method 3. Let it load up for a second. Now, under the main menu, you have to press start button, and all your contents as possible should be under the extras, under the purchase and watch trailers section. Under the PSN store for Uncharted in game, you should be able to receive all of the all the content available, which right now is a single player, multiplayer, and a multiplayer 25, and a no level co-op adventure actually, and co-op arena is also here, split screen is here, and game of the year that I also mentioned. You should be able to have all of this, and all over the taunts and the heroics, villains, standard, special, anything you want. It depends, because if it's your first time, you have to purchase anything you like, or purchase it all if you're a big fan of Uncharted. But if you already have this, but you just did not have it in your download list probably the first time, you should be able to download it, and then let it just load up, and then finally you're able to play the game or however you want, and just enjoy the content of what you have. Those are the 3 methods of how to get Uncharted 3 content from method 1, the PSN store, method 2, the download list, method 3, and in-game store right here. So this should be fine for you guys. And that's it for the video. I'll see you guys another time, okay? Peace out.